This is Brain Lion Institute, episode 61. When dopamine starts responding again, and what not to do to rush it. After a long period of protection, dopamine does not return dramatically. It returns quietly, as a signal, not a surge, a small spark of interest. A moment of curiosity, a thought like, that could be interesting. This is often misunderstood. People assume it's back. Now I should push. Now I should act fast. Now I should capitalize on it. Biologically, this is the mistake. Early dopamine is fragile. It appears when the nervous system tests. Is it safe to want again? If wanting is immediately met with pressure, expectation, or urgency, the system learns. Desire equals risk, and dopamine retreats. This is why rushing motivation often delays it. The correct response to early dopamine is not action, it is permission. Permission to notice interest without turning it into obligation. Permission to enjoy curiosity without demanding productivity. Dopamine strengthens through safety, not intensity. Through consistency, not pressure. If motivation feels faint right now, that does not mean it's weak. It means it's early. Protect interest before you scale it. Desire grows when it is not forced. Next episode: why consistency rebuilds motivation better than intensity. Thank you.